Hey everyone, welcome back to Tolerant Gardens, where we dive into the stories, science, and secret of plants that feed us and shape our gardens, and much more. Today we're talking about a southern favorite that's earned its spot in both backyard gardens and kitchens across the world, Clemson Spineless Okra, which is also one of my favorite plants to grow and eat. Here's a fun fact to start with. Okra isn't originally from the American South. In fact, it's believed to have come from Ethiopia, the land of coffee. Which is kind of crazy because Ethiopia is considered one of the oldest countries in the world, a part of the Great Rift Valley. And this probably means that we've been eating okra for thousands and thousands of years. And okra made its way to the United States through the African diaspora. This plant carries a deep cultural history, especially tied to African and Caribbean food traditions. Clemson Spineless, probably one of the most popular ones I've ever seen. It was developed in 1939 by Clemson University in South Carolina and quickly became one of the most popular okra cultivars because it removed one big problem, those irritating spines on the pods and stems that make harvesting uncomfortable. Clemson Spineless grows as a tall, upright annual, often reaching 4 to 5 feet. It has broad, low leaves and produces stunning hibiscus-like flowers, creamy yellow with a maroon throat. The pods are ribbed green and harvested best when they're about 3 to 4 inches long. Left too long, they toughen up, so timing is everything when it comes to picking. When it comes to growing, this is a warm season crop through and through. Okra loves full sun and thrives in well-drained soil with plenty of organic matter. Wait until your soil has warmed to at least 65 degrees before planting. Space plants about a foot apart. They'll get tall and bushy. Once established, they're remarkably heat and drought tolerant, making them perfect for hot southern summers. Keep the soil consistently moist early on, but once mature, okra can handle a little neglect. Harvest regularly every 2 to 3 days to keep pods tender and to encourage the plant to keep producing. For companion planting, okra pairs beautifully with crops like peppers, eggplant, and cucumbers, since they enjoy the similar conditions. Tall okra can also provide a little bit of light shade for plants like lettuce or herbs that struggle in intense summer heat. Just don't plant it too close to crops prone to nematodes, like sweet potatoes. Beyond being a staple in gumbo, stews, and pickles, okra's leaves are also edible too. They can be cooked like spinach. The mucilage, or slime that some people love, and others avoid, is actually useful in thickening soups and even has medicinal uses. Traditionally, okra has been used to soothe the digestive tract and help with inflammation. Nutritionally, the pods are rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and fiber, making them both a heart-healthy and gut-friendly food. A quick recipe idea: saute sliced okra with garlic, onion, and tomatoes for a simple side dish, or try roasting them in the oven to cut down on some of the slime and bring out the nutty flavor. So that's Clemson Spineless Okra, born in South Carolina, rooted in African heritage, and beloved in kitchens worldwide. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and keep growing with us as we uncover more plants that shape our gardens and our plates. Until next time, happy gardening.